Hello, I ordered Abloy Classic, most probably Classic padlock without key. Now I got it. I removed here this address, and then let's open the package. Try to pick this lock. I accidentally dropped this package when I was coming from the post office by my bike, so there's small scratches for that. Maybe small scratch here for the bike. Oh, I don't. Maybe these are based on that. So it looks like Abloy Classic. Then as a pick, I am going to use this type of pick. Let's try if I can turn all discs all right. Not very smoothly move. Maybe could use some oil, but let's try it out. So then let's like this. Let's see if we are lucky and can get it picked. Sometimes easier and sometimes not. There's tension in there, like this. There is the lock. So as always, first all this goes right. Then let's try how it goes this time. Let's start from the rear end. Maybe 5. Then next one. No gate. No gate feeling at the first one. No gate feeling. No gate feeling. That is nice and at the gate. Maybe there. Okay, now it's at the gate. Next one, maybe at the gate. This is not at the gate. Maybe there. At the gate. At the gate. Not at the gate. At the gate. Maybe at the gate. At the gate now. At the first one feels gate. This is not at the gate. I don't know. This is good. Okay, I need to open it. Like this. Wow. Not that much time taking. We were lucky. Let's try to gut this then. See what was inside. This was maybe a bit lucky. So then starting. First need to remove this X. Like that. Then what next? Need to lock this again. And get the pick out. Is it coming? Not easily. This systematic approach is more reliable but boring. Okay, got out. Then can remove this. First free spinner. Looks clean. Sidebar. If I would guess, this was okay. These two are here. Then this was maybe here. Then these were also quite much here. I was a bit surprised. Okay, now these all are at the gate already. There they go. I move from here. Not very easily. Okay, this was there. This I was struggling a bit. Maybe I. This is there. This. Pooh. There. 2 to go. Then we know what were the through gates. One to go. Like this. Now I can insert this some dirty. Now I can put this here. Spacer. No, so now, these two ones I used for the tensioning. Then this was 5, 4, 5. Then some others, and then 2 first ones. Let's see if there's any master key. No master key. Spacer. No master key. Are these the scratches that I did? Or were they there? Maybe they are from use. Maybe they are from use. No master key. Master key. I think this was quite good condition. No master key. 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 And then two last ones were used for tensioning. This one and last one. Oops. Oops. The last one also, if it's willing to come out from the locker like this. Then maybe now I will make a, not in this video, but I will make the practice lock using this, because also today I received also some full reprinted this kind of spacers, quite many like this. Oh, they are not spacers, but my target is that I would be able to replace for the practice locks these discs with this kind of spacer that is at through gate always. Are they how well fitting? Is this fitting? Okay, it seems that it's not fitting. Let's try some other. I have plenty of these, but if they are not functioning, then it's not so useful as it would be. They are a bit too big. Okay, maybe I need to file these a bit. Let's try one more. Okay, with some force I can fit it there, but maybe it's not good. So now it's always at through gate if the deep is enough, and then I can replace one disc with this, and then it's easier to pick. But now I think this is a bit too big, maybe. Or is it now right size when I once forced it to be? Maybe not exactly perfect. Almost perfect. Okay, this kind of I will make maybe practice lock, so I can add, I can replace some of these, and then it's easier to pick for some beginners when I'm running these workshops for picking Abloys. But okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.